Welcome to the video. Today we're gonna find out, we're gonna answer the age-old question. Who's the better brother? Before we get started today, this video is sponsored by thehousebowling.com. You can get bowl DMC merch. You can get TV bowling supply. You can match your buddies.
If you have two friends and all your first initials are DMC, you're more than welcome. You're not part of the crew, but you'll be one step closer.
Thehousebowling.com. Check it out. Link in the description below. It's the start of a brand new series. Who's the better Tang? It's the age-old question. Everyone always asks it. This is where you find out. All right, in this first episode, we're going to be throwing 5 shots total. Whoever has the highest cumulative pinfall total will be deemed the first ever better Tang of the series.
There has never been a more official scale to figure out who's the better Tang until this video. So, I mean, people out there, they can have their judgments. Those keyboard warriors, social media hacks, they can hide behind their
statistics. Statistics don't mean anything. It's all about what happens in the YouTube videos.
They don't. But this is it right here.
If you guys enjoy the content while you're watching through, make sure you hit that like button. Oh yeah, for what are we doing? 2,000 likes.
At least.
You said, at least 2,000 likes. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see a series, make sure you hit that like button. Lets us know that we're putting out stuff that you guys want to see. Bang! How are we gonna decide who goes first?
Yeah, so we have to figure that out. So what we're gonna do is we have Chris's chapstick here. We're gonna throw down. If you golf, you know that when you don't know who's gonna go first, you just throw down the tee, and whoever points to, that's who goes first. So that's what's gonna happen. Here's the cap. Whoever points to goes first, and here we go.
That's a little more towards you.
Yeah, I would say that's me.
Okay. Fine with me. Line me up.
Yeah, so
now we do this, we're gonna snake draft it. So Mikey's gonna throw the first shot, then I'll throw the next 2, and then so on and so forth.
Yep. Since Darren is at my hometown alley, he only has 1 ball with him, so I'm matching him. The 900 Global C4 Ordnance, a very, very good. It's about as in the middle as you can think of. If there was a ball to put our 3 brands top to bottom together, this one would land right in the middle, literally. So I think it's a really good
benchmark
ball. Yeah, if you're looking for a benchmark, look for the C4.
Dope. The only difference is his is pin up and mine is pin down. Ooh, that's tough.
Just a little left.
You know I'm throwing a 5-bagger right here.
Yeah.
Seal the deal. Easy money.
I thought maybe it was in the soup enough to hold it, but it wasn't.
Maybe the lanes are changing.
Yeah.
Batter up. Okay, like I said before, Mikey's is pin up, mine is pin down, so I might have to play a little bit straighter.
Pin down.
A little bit smoother.
Pin up. See, if I had pin down, I would have struck.
I think I'm gonna play around between the 3rd and 4th arrow.
I was gonna shape them up for me. That's not the arrow.
Nice! I did miss, so
we both missed left, we both got 9. I mean,
man,
that's bowling. But, I've got to be honest, feel like a cat with 9 lives. Now I'm down to 8. I was fully expecting to be down a little bit, but it's all square through 1.
Wait, so do we need to bowl 10 shots so that you can run out of lives and I can win this thing?
No.
This proves nothing, right?
We've already deemed it at the beginning of the video. It proves everything.
It proves everything. I'm moving left so I don't die.
I just got a fresh haircut this morning, so I feel like I have an advantage.
Nine!
It's gonna tell me a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit off that.
It's not fair, man. Life's not fair.
So I think I'm really gonna benefit from those 2 shots. I know that he moved a little, and I also 4-pinned from where I thought was pretty good. So I'm gonna move and hopefully not flat tap.
I didn't tell him how many have moved though.
Yeah, I mean, I'm well aware that I 4-pinned. Yeah, I'm gonna move some.
What a great break. I stole 9 twice, man.
C4, kaboom. Yeah, made a little move. Threw that one way better, got it. Projected to the friction at the right time. And, yeah, when you split to 8-9, it just increases your sex appeal.
What?
leave a comment.
Throw your third shot.
Leave a comment down below if you thought that shot was sexy, because I thought so. I might even leave a comment.
So you got 1 pin on me. 19 to 18. 3 more shots. I gotta hope he doesn't strike out. And I just gotta make sure I don't miss. I think I'm in a bit of trouble.
Yeah, I got the angles good. Steepened them out a little bit, and I've got some good ball motion that I think can sustain me for the next 2 shots, so we'll see. The pressure's on, Darren.
I don't know what pressure is.
The pressure's on.
I'm moving left.
Yeah, I would recommend that. Pressure's on. Game on, baby! Much needed. The count. Yes! 38 to 39? 28 29? 28 29.
28 29.
My apologies.
I took a little step to the left. I saw that his ball motion looked pretty good. I think mine was just picking up a touch too soon. Stone 9.
We go again.
Or I could be wrong and it could have gone off it too hard. I don't know. The answer is always move left.
Oh.
Dude, this really is not the ball for house shots.
Tang can close it out here. Don't say that in the video.
I'm just being honest. If you're gonna throw this ball on the house shot, maybe a little bit of shine.
Maybe 10 up.
That'd be great when we get on tour though.
You're at 7 and I have 9. I need 19 to win.
If there was ever a time for like a 7-9 or a 4-10, something. I got mine a little in the oil. I have to be perfect with my hand. It sucks. Bro, come on.
You feel like you have to be perfect with your hand? If your hand is just perfect.
Bruh.
Jesus. Okay. Okay. You're gonna shut me out in the first video? Ever?
That's the plan.
Is there even a point of me throwing the last shot?
See, you know, my tour results haven't been there, but I've been getting a little disrespected lately. I'm here to gain back that respect.
Oh yeah, the comment sections are lighting you up.
By the way, I do still bowl on tour, okay? You guys.
This is why he's not bowling good on tour. He's bowling too good on house shots.
I have been bowling pretty good on house shots.
Oh, come on. You're the best around. So nines, man.
That's it.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Well, I am very elated, very happy to be the champion of the first installment of Who's the Better Tang. Today was me, tomorrow it might be him, hopefully not. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Let me throw my last shot, jeez.
Oh, yeah. Have you ever seen a PBA telecast when a guy wins
This isn't a PBA telecast.
and the other guy has more shots? They don't show
this one's
these.
gonna strike for sure because it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Watch.
We all know I strike when it matters. Some days it's just not your day. Final tally, 46 to 49.
I got 9 a lot. That means I only struck once.
You only struck once.
Yikes.
You had 9 pin, strike, 10 pin, 4 pin.
That's bad ball reaction,
I had
guys.
4 pin, strike.
Just a tip, if that happens to you, change balls. Doesn't
Yes.
matter, just change balls.
It is not bad luck.
It's not your fault. It's never your fault. Always the ball. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But really let us know by liking the video if you want to see more of this kind of content. Who's the better Tang? We'll do all sorts of different things. Maybe a spare challenge, maybe a practice session type challenge at PBA tour stops. I don't know. Let us know what you want to see, though.
TheHouseBowling.com. Buy merch. TV bowling supply. Shirt. Very pretty.
Thanks for watching. Bye.